Hi everybody, I'm Jordan Rosin on Instagram at JROSIN Yoga, and for today's digital sunlight session I'm going to lead a bit of pranayama from yoga. Pranayama means expanding the breath, and today's breath exercises are specifically for relaxation. So follow along with me as you will. We'll begin with Samavriti, which is the symmetrical breath. So, emptying your lungs of all the air, gently let breath in for 3, 2, 1, out for 3, 2, 1. In for 3, 2, 1, out for 3, 2, 1. In for 3, 2, 1, out for 3, 2, 1. In for 3, 2, 1, out for 3, 2, 1. Continue. Breathing in on the count and out on the count. If you'd like now, you can expand the count to 4, 3, 2, 1, or reduce it to 2, 1. Continue at your own pace, if you like, expanding the breath. And 2 more cycles wherever you are of that. Breathing in, breathing out. Notice how you feel. After 2 cycles, return to your natural breath. Maybe have a yawn or a sigh. Notice how you feel. Notice if the depth or placement of that natural breath is any different now than it was before. And now we'll move on to a second pranayama, Ujjayi. This is one of the most popular in yoga and refers to the ocean sound that your breath can make. So begin with a few yawns, even fake ones. And in yawning, notice the feeling of your throat and specifically your soft palate in the upper back part of your mouth. And what feels like a raising of the soft palate is actually a dropping, creating space for the air to come in and out through the nose. So keeping that sense of yawning, but now closing your mouth, begin to breathe in and out. Breathing in and out. And by now you can, continuing, begin perhaps to hear a little bit of an ocean sound, breathing in and out. Continuing, another way to think of this is as a partial constriction of the vocal folds, so that there's the subtlest vibration or flutter there, breathing in and out. 3 more times on your own, this Ujjayi pranayama, ocean sound. Go at any pace that suits you. For these last 2, really aim to smooth the breath so that the beginning of the in-breath and the end of the out-breath are equally easeful, inhibiting any sense of gasping for the air. And 3 more for good measure. After your last, return to your natural breath. Maybe have a sigh or a yawn. And notice how you feel. Thanks for practicing pranayama with me today. Again, my name's Jordan Rosin for Coin and Ghost's Digital Sunlight Sessions. Check me out at JROSIN Yoga on Instagram. Thanks.